wasting your cooking gas. Minimize the way you do this thing I am going to be telling you in this video. A lot of people keep wondering, why is my cooking gas always finishing? Is it that the filling station or the gas station that they go to fill their gas, or maybe by the roadside, they don't actually fill the main gas? What they do is maybe put in air inside there for them. Okay, I've heard a lot of people complaining it is air. I went to this gas station to purchase some kgs of gas, and what do I have? It does not last me for like a month or weeks. What are you doing? That thing that you are doing, that you are cooking, that you are putting your mind all the time, you like using your cooking gas to do, could be the problem. So if you're in these shoes, if you're in this place, as in always wondering why your cooking gas is always finishing, this video is for you. Stay tuned and you will learn and know why it is always finishing, and you take corrections and know that you're not supposed and you're not going to be doing this thing, because I am going to be showing you in this video. Thank you so much for joining this channel. Here we do lifestyle, self-care tips, and a sprinkle of laughter. Okay, we have a lot of videos in our channel. Please do well to go down there to watch our videos, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel, because you will never regret. Come closer. You will not regret why you are here. All right, so let's go into the business of the day. Okay, I have actually been, this has really happened to me. Okay, it's a true life story. Maybe it has happened to you. I decided to bring it up here. I actually bought a cooking gas. Okay, I filled up my kind of gas, and I've been doing something so particularly using this gas to cook. Okay, this thing that I cook, I think it's just a normal thing that everybody uses their cooking gas to cook. All right, I take it as one of those things. But by the time I know, what am I cooking? Am I cooking for the whole community? Am I cooking for the whole wall? I keep wondering myself, how many are we in this house? How many are we? Okay. Then by the time I know, shoot, maybe I'll be cooking something and my gas will just finish. And if I don't have my substitute gas sitting down there waiting for me, you see me jumping helter skelter. You can imagine when you're in the middle of cooking, maybe you're frying plantain and your cooking gas just finished and leave you, and your oil and your plantain is inside your oil. It will soak. If you don't hurriedly remove it, it will soak. It has happened to me, and I think I am not the first person and the only person that this thing has happened to. Okay, so it's actually not funny. Do you know that one day it happened to me in the midnight, and my substitute gas, I actually didn't fill it up. Woo! I was running helter skelter. How will I round up this food? In the middle of the food, the gas just shoot and finished. I had to run, and like, thank God I had a neighbor. I had a kind and a nice neighbor. My neighbor, like, I ran to my neighbor and said, neighbor, I need to finish up this cooking, and please, can you assist me with your gas? That was how I was able to conclude that food in the middle of the night. Where am I going to go and buy gas when my substitute was actually not available at that moment? So I told myself that I need to solve this problem, and I'm coming here to solve this problem with you. Do you know what? Come closer. Let's talk about it. All right. I noticed that I have been cooking everything. Everything I want to boil is there on this gas. Even any small thing that I want to just warm, boil, do this, is still in this, using the same gas. And it was not funny anymore. For a family that you have more than, let's say, 5 people in the family, 4 people in the family, and hey, you keep on boiling, you keep on cooking this particular thing I want to talk about. Man, the gas, it go finish. Hey, it go finish, leave you for road. Do you understand? So I told myself, like, I need to pull out some things out of this cooking gas. I won't have to do everything using this cooking gas, okay? Especially, let me tell you that one thing that can always finish your gas easily. Boiling of water. Hey, God. Boiling of water to bathe. That is the thing. Hey, this one, I want to boil water. I want to boil water. I want to bathe hot water. I want to bathe hot water. Ah, man. And if you don't have this shower hot water, a lot of people have it in their house. Me, I don't. Okay. So if you don't have it, it's a big challenge. And what will happen when they are feeling cold, or you're feeling cold? You want to boil water now, and it became all the time because it has been raining helter skelter up and down. Do you understand? And I kept boiling water. Shoot, by the time gas has finished. Hey, whoa. And I told myself, what is happening? I need to bring out this boiling of water out of this gas. I need to bring it out, out of this gas. Let's see how it will last. Do you know what happened? I ran helter skelter. I said, I need to go and get a boiling kettle or a boiling jug. Please, if you don't have it in your house, go and get it. Run and go and get it. And know that your gas is going to be lasting for 1 month, 3 weeks. If it was just always 1 week that it lasts. I ran and went to purchase one. So we are going to be unboxing my electric jug together. Yes, so this is it. I don't know. I went to go and purchase this, to go and buy this. Okay, and I love this brand because I've actually used a lot of their products. All right, okay, it's Miwi. It's actually, I don't know, I think it's actually popular. It's coming up. Okay, I'm using their cooking gas, their table gas. That's what I'm using. All right, so I bought this to save my head from cooking gas. Now gas is expensive. I think it was going to 2,000. It now came down to 1,800. I think at this moment it should be at 1,800, 1,600. It depends on your location. So looking at this, buying this every 2 weeks, I don't think it makes sense. So I bought this. So let's unbox this together. So this is my electric kettle in form of a jug. Okay, they have the one that is kettle and they have the one that is jug. I know maybe you have it in your house, and if you don't have it, it's not expensive. Go and get it. All right, just go and get it and substitute it. At least you'll be using it with plug it on the lights. Anyhow it is, it will not finish your lights. Okay, when you're using light and cooker and gas cooker, it saves and it stays for a long time. All right, so this is it. Let's unbox it together, guys. All right, so this is how this looks. Okay, so this is the jug. I've actually, look at it. I got this. This is, I think their brand color is actually yellow. So, but they have different colors in case you don't like it. So this is my own kettle. Okay, yeah. So I think they have different sizes, different liters. Okay, so this is how this is. It has the 12 months warranty. All right, okay, so this is 1.8 liters. You could go for 2 liters, you could go for 5 liters, but I think I want to start with this because it's not expensive. It is actually affordable. All right, so this is it. This is how it is being fixed, and I plug it on the light. Okay, so this is how the kettle I bought substituting me from using my cooker. Oh, hey, seriously, I'll come back to tell you how long this month's cooker will last. This my gas will last. The one I've just refilled will last, because no more mommy, I want to bathe hot water. I want to bathe hot water. I'll say, go and boil, go and cook, go and on the gas, go and on the gas. No more owning of gas. Now it is this. You are going to be using this, guys. So if you know that you don't have, go and buy, and don't be using your gas again to cook, and you see how long your gas will last for you. That disappointment that I've experienced, that I'm frying plantain, I was frying plantain and my gas just finished and left me. I had to run to go and meet my neighbor in the night, middle of the night. It's already dark, no station will be open, they've closed. I had to run and go and like, please help me out. No more it, because this is going to substitute for me and my substitute gas cooker. Please try to have another cylinder somewhere. It's actually very important. Even if you want to be putting 1 kg in there and just keep for a spare, just to help substitute you to prepare and cook your food whenever it finishes and leave you. So this is my own kettle, so you can go and get yours, guys. So I am excited, and I came to share with you what is going to be making my cooker, my gas, last for a long time. Alright, guys, so rush and go and get yours. It's not expensive. I actually bought this for 15,000 naira. Other brands are actually expensive. I saw the one for 30,000, I saw the one for 20,000, but this brand actually got it for 15,000. So for you to know, it's actually not expensive. All right, so stay tuned. I have to run and go and start using my electric jug to boil hot water. If I see any other thing that I can use to boil, to do other substitute things, I'll run down to you to let you know, so you join me to use it. Thank you so much. And please, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Alright, guys, so take care of yourself, and I love you all, and have a wonderful day ahead of you. Bye.